into a tunnel now. It's 1 kilometre long in distance, 1.1k. Let's turn our lights on. Like a rock concert in here when you're going for motorbikes, the exhaust. Forgot to switch our lights off. The wonderful sea, Antalya. Heading towards Kemer now. About 20 k's, 25 kilometres to go to Kemer. The ever popular Kemer. Tourists flock there in the thousands in summer. Not quite summer yet, but I'm sure there are a few tourists out there. ...970 metres, so just under a kilometre. This is a little town called Beldivi. They also have a few little hotels here that you can come to, not as popular as Kemer, but nonetheless you can still come here. As you